I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video into your Notion page. There are lots of uses for this. In this particular video, this example I'm giving you, I have my asset bank open and I'm going to embed a video of, this is like my training bank. And so like in the Creative Marketing Mastermind, I have a vault that has all kinds of training videos. But I use, as you guys know, I love repurposing. So I use this all over the place. And I like to note like where it's at, what kind of content it is, related ones, different things like that. And I have this basic template that I use to keep track of all of the information. I would like to upload and embed the YouTube here. So you just click the plus sign and you can start typing embed. You can also use the slash and then type in embed. So we're going to select embed. Then it's going to ask you for the link. So make sure you go and grab the link from wherever it's at. In this case, it's YouTube. I'm going to paste it and click embed link. And just like that, bada boom, bada bing, it is now linked. And what's great is you can use this for lots of things. There's so many different uses for this. If you're going to do, let's say it's even a sales page, you want to make a sales page in Notion and it's free. You can go ahead and embed this and then share it as a web page. That's a whole other thing. If you wanted to make a course, you can embed these videos here. I would suggest using ScreenPal to host it and then embedding it in here, but there's like a billion different ways. You can even just embed directly the file, which I have here. I like to keep the file on there as well. And I also have embedded it from where it's at on Loom. So lots of different creative ways to use that, but that is how it's done. It's super simple and easy.